Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Switch off the wall switch and, if unsure, the breaker for the circuit. Once done, confirm the fixture is cool, metal holds heat. Use a stable ladder positioned directly under the downlight, about 5 to 1, 5 meters elevation as needed, and wear gloves to protect skin and glass. Make sure you have the correct replacement. Check bulb type and base now, because installing the wrong size or wattage can cause fit or heat issues. You now remove the trim or diffuser to access the bulb. Pinch the spring clips or unscrew the retaining ring depending on your model. Once exposed, support the lamp housing with one hand. For twist lock bulbs, rotate counterclockwise about a quarter turn, and for push-fit types, pull straight out while wiggling gently. If a quick connect or adapter is present, depress the release and separate it. Make sure to support the connector so wiring doesn't pull. This careful removal prevents damage to clips and wiring. You install the replacement by aligning the base correctly and pushing straight in or twisting clockwise until snug. Do not over-tighten metal base bulbs. Once seated, reconnect any quick connects and reposition the trim or diffuser, making sure spring clips engage or screws are tightened. Restore power at the switch or breaker and test the new lamp. If it flickers or fails, make sure the bulb is fully seated and the connections are secure. Next, check the breaker and confirm the fixture has 120 V. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.